Back again to the Jamaican 3-0 channel, you don't know. The Jamaican 3-0, you don't know. Right now, this video is going to be about that brother over there in the green looking suit with the green looking mask, looking so ugly. Today, we have been challenged to do his demon dash brutality, which I heard was one of the hardest brutalities. No, you see me? So, challenge accepted, and we're going to see how we can do this online, you see me? We're not playing a combat league still, isn't it? Tired of that now. So let's kick it, peeps. Eagle-eyed Falcon the G. Right, 2071 wins, bossy. They've reached 2000 myself. I'm G, I speak with a Jamaican, isn't it? From the Jamaican 3-0. Oh man, why it gotta be SUBZERO in the morning, bruh? Oh my god. Woo! Oh god, that was lucky. Whoa. We ain't wasting no bar, bro. Woo! Wait! Ice ball. Ice ball. Stupid. Oh god, he had it out before. Oh my god. Nice. Let's see the combos. Let's see the combos. Oh damn. Nice. Nope. Oh my god. I'm getting my ass whooped. Bruh. Yo, that foot reached so far. Oh, I think it's gonna be harder. It's gonna be hard. Look at us. Oh, come on. I was blocking that. Push back. I can't even press buttons. What the flight? This nigga ice ball on my face, bro. This nigga ice ball on my face, bro, oh shit. The ice ball in my face, bro. Damn, it had to be a SUBZERO in the early morning. Let's get him with the schmicks. Oh, he got me with a wake up. Oh, he got me. Don't do that. Oh, nice flawless. Nice low. Nice. Oh, come on. Hey, I ain't gonna lie though. That was a nice short hop. Let's go. Can I do it?
Round 2. Fight.
We got it. We got it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Woo! That's crazy. Oh, boy. We got it. He's gonna slide. He ain't gonna slide. I ain't gonna spare it. I ain't gonna port it. Oh, he got me. What's it? Yo, you a G, you a G. I ain't gonna lie, you a G. It's gonna be intense. No, he got me. Come on, catch me. Come on, catch me, baby. Come on, catch me. Oh my God.
Finish him.
Oh yes, I got it. I got it. Hey, bro, I am so sorry. I did not want to do that. I did not want to do that. It was a challenge. I swear to God, bro. And that's all, people. We got the brutality nailed down. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the Jamaican Trio channel. And that's all, folks.